Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Steam Deck black screen. So, if you're getting a black screen here on your Steam Deck, well, there are a few things that you could try. So, first thing that you may want to try here is you may want to force a restart. You want to press and hold the power button on your Steam Deck for about 20 seconds straight. This should force a shutdown and restart, and if it works, you'll see the Steam logo. Now, if the screen stays black here, you want to hold the volume up button. While still holding the volume up button, press the power button once. Now keep holding up until the BIOS screen appears. Now use the D-pad to select the continue option and press A. This should boot back into the SteamOS interface. Now also you may want to check your charger here, so if it still doesn't work, plug in the charger and make sure it works with other USB-C devices, so to rule out it's a faulty cable. Then repeat step 1 and 2 while the device is charging. Now, also if your Steam Deck turns off and won't power back on, just go to your BIOS again and it should boot normally. Now, for regular shutdowns, holding the power button for about 5 seconds just works fine. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.